If you're shy about talking to your crush directly, flirting over text is a great way to share your feelings. Send him a text to say hi, and ask a question to break the ice, like, "What did you think of biology class today?" You could also send a compliment, a joke, or a funny picture to set a lighthearted mood. Chat back and forth a bit to get a sense of how he's feeling. If it seems like he's relaxed and in the mood to talk, say something like, "I really like you. We should hang out more." You could even say, "Hey, I've been wanting to tell you for a while that I have a crush on you." Don't put pressure on your crush to answer right away. Give him time to respond. If he says he likes you back, try making plans to hang out. If he tells you he doesn't feel the same way, respect his answer. Say something like, "I understand. I hope we can still hang out as friends."